What's up, guys? Welcome back to Blazing Trader. Hope you're all having a wonderful day, night, wherever you are watching this video from. So, in the last couple of videos, after I got back, I have already turned $100 to 600 in one video. In the second video, I updated you saying that I went from 600 to 1600. And thank you guys for your response on that video as well. Trying to push this tournament balance as high as possible. This is nothing yet. And as you can see on your screen right now, I'm sitting now at $2,678. I've been making some trades. Let me quickly show you my trading history. Even today I made some trades. This one big trade was a normal binary trade actually. All these were blitz options, but these two were binary. I've been trying to make slow progress, only taking $20 trades. Sometimes I place multiple trades. For example, you see on 145, I place a lot of trades. Some of the trades at different price points, up and down, trying to catch the reverse move with the majority of those trades. Sometimes all of them win, but I'm not risking a lot, as you can see. So my strategy so far has been very simple. I have a 5-period smooth moving average, and then I have my blaze runner indicator, which just shows me slight impulsive signals, and I'm only trying to take these trades. For example, after this put signal here, again these signals are non-repainting signals. These come from my blaze runner script, and this is my own script. This is not something that you can find anywhere online, and this is not something that I have renamed from some other script and I'm making it mine and calling it mine. That is not the case. It's something that I developed, and this is not for sale, guys. I'm not trying to sell anything here. This is something I'm trying to use and push forward. My goal is to avoid these kind of choppy markets, and my goal is to trade these trendy candles when the candles start forming under the smooth moving average in a row. So right now I'm in the 15 position. 2678 is the balance. This is not going to take me anywhere in the tournament, guys. Mostly when the tournament finishes, you will see guys here with balances around 10k or more only. The top 20 will always be around 10k and more. Sometimes you will even see with 20k and more. So if you're not going to make anything about 30-40k minimum, you will not make $1,000 prize money or more. My goal is to make $1,000 or more. I'm not going to be happy with this, because I'm putting in 4-5 days of work, and if I'm not making at least $1,000 or at least 1,500 or 2,000, if I make 2,000, that's handsome. But if I'm not making at least $1,000, then that is not worth my time. So that is what I'm trying to make. So let's quickly turn this. That's not quickly, but let's quickly try and turn this $2,678 into 4,000, right? So I have to make 1,400. This is going to be like an hour session, I think, probably, or even, I'm not sure. If I see strong trends, I'm going to take big trades. So let's see how it goes. Okay guys, so the session is done and my balance is now $4,210. I started this video at $2,000 and I made it up to 2,600 when I started recording, and here we go. I have reached $4,200, which is the target for today for me. So I am done for the day, guys. It is 24th January 2026. When we started this tournament with $100, went to 600 in the first video, then to 1500 in the second video, and here is the third video. where we have reached $4,200. And if you can see the leaderboard, we have 8 days remaining in the tournament, and I am in the 15th position. But this is nowhere near what I need to make. I need to make at least 10 times of this. So we have to go from 4,000 to 8,000, 8,000 to 16,000, 16,000 to 32,000 at least. But right now we have made solid progress. We have 8 days to go, and all we need is 3 flips of this balance. So 4 to 8, 8 to 16, and 16 to 32. So if we can have 3-4 good days, we will reach our target and finish off this tournament on a high note. So that is my plan. Thank you guys for following this challenge. Thank you for all of your comments and for the attention you have been showing towards these tournament series videos that I've been posting. Subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. Thanks for watching this video. Until the next time, take care. Peace. Bye bye.